Hello, Kai. Good morning, Kai. Just unmute yourself once you're ready, Kai. And we're still waiting for Rick. Good morning, Kai. You are on mute, Kai. That's why I can't hear you. Okay, just unmute yourself once you're ready, Kai. Anyways, we're still waiting for Rick to join. Oh, hi, Rick. Good morning, Rick. Wait, Kai is on mute. Hi, Kai. Can you unmute yourself? I can't hear you, Kai. Wait, let me translate it. For a moment.
Ai, cậu bật mic lên được không? Tớ không nghe thấy gì cả.
Okay, can you unmute yourself? Okay, so while waiting for Kai to unmute his device, then let me share my screen. And yes, for today we'll have 72. Okay, we have the last letters in the alphabet. Okay, so now, Rick, can you tell me? Okay, hi, Rick. Hi, Kai. Can you try to speak now, Kai?
Yes.
Oh, yes, I can hear you now. It's good now, Kai. Where's Rick? Rick? Where are you, Rick?
Mm.
Oh, there you are. Thank you so much. Now, Kai, can you tell me what letter is it? What letter is it, Kai? This one. It's
W.
very good. Can you read this one too, Kai? We have
Woman.
very good. We'll read, Kai. Now we have a W is for woman. Can you give me another word that starts with W, Rick? W is for W is
Oh.
for Wolf. Okay, W is for wolf. What about you, Kai? W is for... Do you have a word in mind? W is for... What do you think, Kai? What other word do we have that starts with W? W is for... Wa. Okay, it's water. Or we can as well say watermelon. Okay, it still starts with a W. Now, next letter we have. What letter is it, Rick? Hi, Rick. What letter is it, Rick? Okay. Where are you going, Rick? Okay, so now since Rick is still okay, so now Rick, what letter is it? X. Very good. Can you read this one? It's it's a what is it? Fox. Okay, very good. Now I want you to give me a word that starts with X or has X in it. Okay, now can you give me a word that has X in it, Kai? X, like in here, fox. What else? What word has X or starts with X, Kai? What is it? Kai, can you say it again? Can you say it again, Kai? Okay, wait, let me see. Fan. Okay, fan starts with F, Kai. We are looking for X. X. What word starts with X? Or what word has X in it? X. It's what about you, Rick? What word has X in it? We have fox. What else? We have fox and okay, we also have box. Okay, box and as well as xylophone. It starts with X, right? Okay, now next letter. We have the letter. What letter is it, Kai? Y. Okay, Y is for what's this?
Yo-yo.
Okay, great job. Do you have a yo-yo, Rick?
No.
Oh no, you don't. What toys do you have at home?
I have a car.
Oh, nice. Okay, now since we're talking about the letter Y, can you give me a word that starts with Y aside from yo-yo? Y is for... Y is for?
Yeah.
Y is for yam. What else? Can you think of another word, Rick? Y is for? Yes, Rick. Y is for?
Me.
Yummy. Okay, and we also have Yarn. Okay, well done. So now the last letter. What letter is it, Rick?
Z.
Very good. Okay, now what is it, Kai? It's a
Zebra.
great job. Now, can you give me a word that starts with Z? Z is for zebra. Z is for what do you think, Rick? Z is for
Zoo.
zoo. Okay. What about you, Kai? Can you give me another word that starts with Z? Z is for?
Zigzag.
Okay, yes, very good. Zigzag. Okay, and we also have zip. Okay, done. So smart. Okay, now let us have this one. Okay, where is the woman? Where is the woman? Who can see the woman? Yes, that is right, Kai. Very good. Thank you so much as well, Rick. Now, what about the yo-yo? Where is the yo-yo? Yo-yo. Okay, yes, very good, Rick. Okay, so that is the yo-yo. That's correct, Kai. What about the fox? Where is the fox? Okay, yes, that's right, Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Okay, that is the fox right there. Yes, that's right, Guy. Now, what about the letter Z? Can you find the letter Z? Okay, very good. Oh, yes. What about W? W. Can you see it? Okay, another one. What about the other W? Can you see it? It's yes, very good, Guy. Very good, Rick. Now, what about X? X. The uppercase and lowercase X. Can you see it? Oh, yes, well done. Now, the last one, we have the zebra. Where is the zebra? Okay, yes, great job. Okay, so now we'll have making the letters W, X, Y, and Z. But of course, first let us make the letter W. Okay, can you show me your hands and do it like this? W. W. Okay, thumbs will meet each other. Okay, yes. What about you, Rick? I can see your hands, Rick. W. Okay. Now, what about the lowercase w? Very easy. W. Okay, yes, very good, guy. What about X? X. X. Okay, yes, that is right. Now the small x. Okay, very good. That's right. Now what about y? Y. Okay, now next one we also have another. Why? It's the small y and z. What about this one? Can you do this? Z. I don't. Wait, Rick is doing it. Okay. Yes. Very good, Rick. Great job. Thank you so much. And the lowercase z. Okay. Yes, there you have it. Thank you so much, Guy and Rex. So now let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so we have here a review. Okay, so can you still remember what action is shown here?
Yes.
It's
Good.
okay, yes, very good, Skip. Now, what about in here? What can you touch?
I can touch my
Very good. I can touch my mouth. What can he do?
mouth.
Okay, yes, very good. What about in here?
He can shake his leg.
Great job. He can shake his legs. Okay, now what is she doing, Rick? What is she doing? She is?
Sing.
Okay, very good singing. She is singing. What can he touch?
He can touch his
His.
ears.
Okay, very good. What can he do? What can he do? Can you remember it, Rick? What about you, Kai? Can you remember it? What can he do? He can stomp. Okay, he can stomp his feet. Okay, he can stomp his feet. And the last one, what can he do? What is he doing?
Wow.
Well, he is swimming. Can you swim, Kai? Can you swim? Can you swim?
No. I
Oh, no. Oh, yes, you can.
No.
Oh, no, you can't. What about you, Rick? Can you swim?
No.
Oh, no, too. And that's okay. So now, moving on, let us have this. Okay, so listen and number the correct picture.
Page 74. B. Listen, then number.
Can you jump? No, I can't.
Okay, can you jump? No, I can't. Which picture shows that? Can you number it one? Okay. Can you jump? No, I can't. Is it this picture, this one, this, or this? What do you think, Kai? Where should we write one? Can you jump? No, I can't. Which picture is it, Kai? It's It's the first picture, right? So we'll write one here. She is asking this girl, can you jump? She said, no, I can. Okay, now let us have two.
2.
Let's play. Okay, let's swim.
Okay, what about that? Let's play. Okay, let's swim. Which picture shows that conversation, guy? What about you, Rick? Hi, Rick. Rick? Are you still there, Rick? Where is Rick? Oh, Rick is hiding. Okay, now let's play. Let's swim. Which picture shows that, Rick? Is it this one? Where should we write two? Two. Let's swim. Let's swim. Okay, yes, well done. Thank you so much, Rick. Now, moving on.
3,
What can you do? I can clap my hands.
Okay, what about that one, Kai? What can you do? I can clap my hands. Can you number it? 3? 3. What can you do? I can clap my hands. Is it this one, Kai, or the last one? What do you think, Kai? What can you do? I can clap my hands. Who is clapping? Who is clapping? It's the girl, right? It's the girl, which means, Kai, that we will write 3 here. Okay. So now, last one.
4,
Oops, I'm sorry. That's okay.
Okay, what about that? Can you number it 4, Kai? 4. Can you write 4, Kai? Oops, I'm sorry. That's okay.
I can write.
Oh, you can't write. I see. So we'll write 4 here. Okay, so now let us have a game. What can you do? And you have to tell me what they can do. Okay, now let us start with you, Rick. What can you do? Rick?
Pain. Wait.
Very good. Now, what can you do, Kai?
I can touch my ears.
Right? Very good. What can you do, Rick? What can you do, Rick?
I can stomp my feet.
Okay, is it stomp? Is it stomp? I can shake
My feet.
my legs. I can shake my legs. What can you do, Kai?
I
I
can shake, shake my hand.
Okay, I can swing my arms. I can swing my arms. Now, what can you do, Rick?
I can run.
Okay, I can run. What can you do, Kai? This one, Kai, what can you do? Okay, now, since Kai is doing something, can you tell me, Rick, what can you do?
I can walk.
Okay, yes, I can walk, but in here, actually, he is thumping his. Okay, yes. Now, what can you do, Kai? Yes, Kai, what can you do?
I can sing.
Yes, very good. I can sing. What can you do, Rick?
Can touch my nose.
Very good, Kai. Okay, what can you do, Rick? Hi, Rick.
And that
Very good. I can dance. What can you do, Kai?
can shake the leg.
Okay. Is it I can shake my legs? The pressure is going down, so it is stomp. Okay, stomp. I can stomp my feet. Yes, this is shaking legs, Guy. I can shake my legs. Now, what can you do, Rick? Rick, what can you do? I can.
I can snap my
Very good. And the last one, what can you do? Okay, I can walk. Great job. And we're able to finish the game. Game completed. So now that's all it for our class today. You can now eat your breakfast. Thank you so much, Kai. Thank you so much, Rick. Goodbye and enjoy your day. Be safe.
Goodbye, teacher.